Alright, in this tutorial we are going to go over how to shoot the lasers and the fireballs from your spaceship, and we're also going to create walls that destroy them when they exit the scene. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to drag in, let's see, I'm going to drag in a bullet, okay, and I'm also going to drag in the fireball. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to click, and you can see that that's fine. It's a little bit it's a little small, so let's go ahead and I'm going to just make the bullet a little bit smaller by changing the size. So I'm going to do the height of maybe um, 10, right? Um, Now, what we're going to do is we're going to create a rule, and it's going to be a move rule, and that we don't need a rule, we just need to go down to move, and let's do move, and we're going to move it direction 90, and let's go ahead and make this about 250 or so. If you make it too fast, it might be too easy. If you make the speed too slow, it's going to be too hard. You have to find the happy medium. And let's go ahead and do that for the fireball as well. You can actually copy this, Command C if you're on a Mac, and then you can go back to the fireball and change that as well. Okay, so now we have it moving. And let's make the fireball a little bit faster. Let's say 300. So what we're going to do is we want the space bar to trigger the gun, the bullet. So let's go to the spaceship, and we are going to create a rule that says fire laser or fire bullet. And when the key is spacebar, so click the spacebar. What we want to do is, let's go spawn actor, and let's do the bullet. Okay, and then now we can click on it and preview, and you can see that it's the bullet is originating from the middle. We probably want it up top near the tip. So let's go back and change that. So we're going to go spaceship, and let's change the position right here. It's like the Y position. Let's do maybe 15, and let's see how 15 looks. Yep, that looks better. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create walls that destroy the bullets or the fireballs once it exits this screen, because if you don't destroy the actors, then they're just going to keep on going and clog up your game. So let's go ahead and let's go to, we're going to create a new actor. Let's go destroy bullet slash fireball wall. And let's go ahead and change the color. And I'm just going to change it to a different color so I can see it a little bit better. And so now it's orange, and what we're going to do is we are going to drag it right here. And the reason why we're doing these sides as well is because the fireball is there's gonna be 3 fireballs, and it's gonna spread, and it might reach out this far. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna hold down Alt, and I'm gonna drag it over. Let's see here. And I'm also going to drag and make the copy like so. Drag that out, drag that out. So now, right? So now we have something that looks like this, and now we need to go back to the bullet and say when this, actually, let's go ahead and create a group. let's go ahead and we'll name this ammo, and we're going to use this probably in the future. So let's go to home and let's go to actors, and let's create another subgroup. Click plus right here, and let's just do ammo, and that'll just be the fireball and the bullet, referring to anything that we fire. And I'm going to click and I'm going to drag in, so we have the subgroup ammo that consists of the bullet and the fireball. So now we can go back and go to the scene, and we can go to the bullet, and let's do create when this collides with and we didn't need to create that ammo just yet. We're going to be using it in the future. When it collides with the destroy bullet firewall, we want to destroy it. So let's go down to destroy. Okay, and then I'm going to rename this destroy bullet. And you probably want to be consistent. You could just put, like if you were going to call it laser, just do laser, but I'm going to be calling it bullet. And now I'm going to copy this, Command C, and I'm going to go back to my fireball, double click on it, and I'm going to paste that. And when this collides with the destroy bullet, it'll destroy, or when the destroy bullet fireball wall, it's going to destroy it, and we're just going to rename this destroy fireball. Okay, and now when we shoot, we haven't assigned the fireball yet, but we will. Now when we shoot, right, these are going to be killed. The instances or the bullets are going to be killed once they exit the screen.